Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and I'm back with another video. This is a part of my June vlog. I feel like June is going to be really sweet to me. And this is my skin starting of June. I'm trying to take care of my skin more. I got no skincare. I don't know, my face is so oily this morning, guys. I'm on the 55k by the end of June. So girls that have time for hair, randomly send them money, like just get them, like just take this money and get out. Just go get your hair done. It's not easy. So excited. Just this joy that, oh my god, I'm a fair girl. I want to start manifesting my kind of life. Like my skin, I'm having acne, like serious breakout. I really need to start having my skin caressing, all of that, like seriously. Hey guys, so it is 6th of June.
6th of June?
What? It's a lie.
No, it's the truth.
27th. You know, my skin is literally giving. Don't you think? Hey guys, I'm back and this is part of the June highlights. This is my nails for the month. I'm not taking sister. Okay, please, can you go? Anyways, guys, this is my nails for the month and I love you so much. I did it myself, by the way. Yeah.
She did it for me.
So, what's up, guys? I'm vlogging today. This is probably like day, probably week after. I'm going to be using my hair soon because I'm trying to make my hair forget another dandruff or whatever. But let me see what's in my mind. I'm going to do Alanti. You know what Alanti is for being my FB. And I'm currently at 4,598 followers. I just put that by the time I upload this video, I might have just hit 4,600. I want to say I look good today. Don't you think so? Yes, so guys, I went to the market today. Look how pretty I look. I went to the market to buy things for my hair. These are expensive. Let me show you. I'm so tired. I'm so exhausted. I need to go wash my hair. We got this new type of lip gloss. It's actually pink. Now I'm looking crazy. This is the shampoo I got for dandruff. I was using petals and I don't think it's working cause that itching. So this is it. 500ml 515 with this petals conditioner. This is the combo for the washing of the hair. I'm so broke right now, like I have no money. The money in my account is, I'm not even sure you hold 2,000 naira. Guys, celebrating growth. My hair now packs one. So exciting. And guess what? I hit 4,600 followers this morning. Guys, I'll see you later when I'm done washing my hair. Hey guys, so I'm done washing my hair. Like that dandruff shampoo is lit because I was literally feeling it. Like it was hot to wash the hair and then I did condition on the hair. The hair I think is dried and my scalp is clean. I guess some things are there too, but I have to comb them out. And what else? It's time to make the hair. I has already cut the Brazilian way. I don't know why that scissors is blood, but none of my business. And then this is cute, guys. Hi guys, it's foreverr. Follow and like my pages on Instagram. Don't forget to follow. I'll put this follow back. I want to do my training show for TikTok. Hey guys, this is like a couple of days later. I don't even know. Last night guys, I think mine was not done. But now it is done and it was done by my sweetest. It was done by her. I want to fix my nails now. When I'm done, when I wash, I'm done. Like, let me do the transition right.
You're in the mood for empathy, it's blood in my pen. Better yet with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Fuck that, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know just what you want. Oh, what it does, just put it in the song. Alright. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it.
Hey guys, so it's been forever. I can't remember the last time I vlogged. I forgot I was vlogging. Can you get out of my camera?
No.
Today is the 28th of June. You can see my hair is hairy. My skin has been peeling recently. Like, you don't know why. Anyways, just want to say hi to you guys and wish you the best vlog for the remaining days in the month. I love you guys. Anyways, I hit 4,600 followers. I don't know if I said that, and I'm quite excited. I'm quite grateful to God for growth, and my goal for this year is 15k. I'll be 10k. Pray everything will be fine, and I love you guys. I'll catch you guys when I am doing something significant, something better, something catchy. So I love you guys. Mwah. Yeah, this is Wednesday. Yes, Wednesday, and today I have some things planned to do. Today I feel like today I'm going to be really busy today because first of all, guys, let me see if you can see. I'm having severe dandruff, and I know you guys saw where I bought dandruff shampoo, but I use it only once because after that I put my hair in this twist with extension. But I think it's been like too much lately, so I'm going to use the dandruff shampoo on the hair like that. Yes, and then I'm going to curl my ends because it's like looking rough. So I'm going to wash my hair in twists because I've been scratching this lately. This hair is already messy, guys. I don't know if you can see how messy it is. It's not nice at all because it's so uncomfortable. It's so crazy. It's so irritating. I'm not capping. So I'm going to fix that today. Today is the 29th of June and tomorrow is going to be the last of the shoot. Tomorrow Sunday, and stuff. But I think I can push through. I can push through. So I'm going to catch you when I'm doing something significant. Like I said, significant. So let's just talk. Hey guys, so I'm done washing my hair. Ignore that. My scalp. Okay, so guys, finished washing my hair, finished washing my scalp. Oh, you guys said that with dandruff crazy. And then I think my methylated dandruff scalp is better and neater. So I need to go stand in the sun to dry the hair and then curl the ends. And that's basically it. So catch you later. So hey guys, I'm going to use this to end the video. So guys, this is like the 2nd of July and I'm actually doing this on Instagram, but I think I look good. Okay, in the sun. I'm not feeling the sun today, so I'm feeling this shade. That video was like to end the video, but I don't know, I got carried away by my beauty. So this is the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe. Love you.